Everybody loves espresso, but the reality is, most people prefer their espresso with milk. And not just any milk, they want lusciously textured microfoam. It's easy to find when you're ordering from a barista, but what about when you're not at the cafe? Perfectly steamed milk and the drinks that come along with it, cappuccinos, cortados, lattes, those shouldn't be exclusive to high-end cafes. Let's be honest, most of us want it, but we just can't get it anywhere else. Until now. Introducing the Flair Wizard, a professional-grade milk steamer that cut its teeth in the busy cafes of New York City and is also perfect for homes, campsites, and anywhere in between. Throw it on your stove, bring it in your RV, pop it onto the grill in the woods. The Flair Wizard features a cool touch steam wand, a custom pressure gauge with a steaming range, and 2 nozzles for beginner and expert home baristas. It's also compatible with any heat source, whether it's gas, glass, coil, or induction. Use any milk, dairy, or alternative, and the fast, dry steam will give an incredible result. Silky milk texture is now for everyone, everywhere. Bring the magic home with the Wizard Steamer from Flair Espresso.